Behance is a visual discovery and publishing platform that allows creatives to showcase their work, projects, and portfolios. It was founded in 2006 and acquired by Adobe in 2012. Behance is a platform for creatives to share their work, connect with others, and get discovered by potential clients and employers. Things you should know before starting to make money online with Behance in 2024. 1. Content is king. Your portfolio is your most valuable asset on Behance. Make sure it's high quality, visually appealing, and showcases your best work. 2. Keywords and tags. Use relevant keywords and tags to optimize your portfolio for search and increase visibility. 3. Consistency. Regularly update your portfolio with new work to keep your audience engaged and attract new visitors. 4. Engage with others. Like, comment, and follow other creatives. Work to build relationships and grow your network. 5. Networking. Join Behance communities, participate in discussions, and attend events to expand your network and potential clients. 6. Professionalism. Ensure your portfolio reflects your professional brand and services offered. 7. Monetization strategies. Consider offering freelance services, selling products or merchandise, or promoting affiliate products through your portfolio. 8. SEO optimization. Optimize your portfolio for search engines by including relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and optimizing images. 9. Collaborate with other creatives. Collaborate on projects with other creatives to expand your network and build relationships. 10. Stay up to date with Behance's policies. Familiarize yourself with Behance's community guidelines, terms of service, and copyright policies. By following these tips, you can effectively leverage Behance to showcase your work, build your brand, and generate income online in 2024.